Some animals have superpowers that sound like they're straight out of science fiction. I'm talking about a real-life, built-in taser. It's true. Some creatures have actually evolved the incredible ability to generate their own electricity. So let's dive into the absolutely fascinating world of nature's living batteries. First up, we're talking about what I like to call nature's taser. We're about to look at one of the most extreme and honestly surprising adaptations you'll find anywhere. Forget claws and fangs for a minute. We're talking about a biological weapon that uses pure, raw electricity. So, the big question is, how is this even possible? It sounds like something from a comic book, right? How can a living, breathing animal actually generate a powerful electric shock? Well, that's exactly the mystery we're gonna solve. And let's be super clear here. We are not talking about a little zap of static electricity. The power these animals can produce is measured in hundreds of volts. To put that into perspective for you, a standard wall outlet in the US is around 120 volts. So yeah, this is a serious and definitely dangerous amount of juice. And of course, the most famous animal with this superpower is the electric eel. It uses this amazing ability for two main reasons. First, to stun its prey, which makes for a very easy meal, and second, as a pretty serious defense mechanism to scare off anything that thinks about messing with it. Okay, so that brings us to the really cool part. How on earth do they do it? What's the biological secret that turns a fish into, well, a swimming power pack? In this section, we're gonna break down the mechanics of this living battery. It all comes down to this incredible piece of biological equipment called the electric organ. Now, this isn't an organ like a heart or a liver, nope. It's a highly specialized structure that evolved for one single purpose, to generate a massive electric current. So here's how the whole shock sequence works, and it's brilliant. First, you have thousands of these special cells all lined up inside that electric organ. You can think of each one of these cells as a teeny tiny little battery, just holding a small charge. Then the magic happens. A nerve signal fires off and tells every single one of those cells to discharge at the exact same instant. And the result? All those tiny little charges add up, combining into one massive, powerful shock. It's just an incredible display of biological coordination. Now, the electric eel might get all the fame, but it is definitely not alone in this electric family. This shocking superpower has actually evolved completely independently in several different groups of fish. So let's meet a few other members of this very exclusive club. That's right, joining the eel are electric rays and electric catfish, and they each have their own unique spin on this shocking ability. And what's really amazing is that this isn't some new discovery. Scientists and naturalists have been completely captivated by these animals for centuries, trying to figure out the secrets of their electric organs. So we've looked at these incredible creatures, and that brings us to our last thought, a final jolt. What's the big takeaway here? Why does this matter? Well, it all circles back to one simple but really powerful idea. This quote just nails it. You can think of their bodies like a living battery. That's the key concept. That's what you should remember. These animals are, for all intents and purposes, biological power plants. It's a perfect example of nature engineering a solution that is both incredibly elegant and super effective. Really, at its heart, it's a story about teamwork on a microscopic level. You've got thousands of tiny individual charges, each one totally insignificant on its own, but they are perfectly coordinated to work together. And when they do, they add up to create one of nature's most mind-blowing superpowers. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If nature can figure out how to create a living, breathing battery, it just begs the question, what other unbelievable natural superpowers are still out there, hidden away, just waiting for us to find them?